How to create a poll on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, in order to create a poll, simply first of all tap on what's on your mind option. So as you do that, you can see there are different options at the bottom of the screen. But when you see these options, there are no options to poll. So what we can do over here is we can just go back, tap on any of the groups that we have or that we're part of. Simply select on their profile, then tap on the post over here and then tap on the three dotted lines. So as you scroll down, you can see the option of poll. You can just tap on poll. Here you can just ask questions, put poll options and then tap on done to create a poll on Facebook. So this is the only particular way right now to work out. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.